Hey guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to manage profile discovery on LinkedIn. So first you have to go for your LinkedIn account. After that you have to click on your profile icon over here. Just click on the drop down option and go for settings and privacy. So okay, so when you are in this page you have to go for this visibility option here, and you have to scroll down and you can see profile discovery using email address or profile discovery using phone number. You can manage your profile discovery by email address or phone number. So go for this email address first, and you can select one first degree connection or first and second degree connections or anyone on LinkedIn. Then just go for back. Okay, now you can manage your discovery using phone number, and you can select nobody or second degree connection or everyone, and again go back. So this is how you can manage your profile discovery on LinkedIn. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.